Today's class, Lesson 4, Introduction to MS Excel 2016, Book Exercise. In the previous class, we have completed the lesson and I asked you to do the homework, Book Exercise 1 words. Now we will see the answers for the Book Exercise 1 words. First one, multiple choice question. Dash box shows the address of an active cell. For that, answer is B. Second one, press dash keys to open a file in Excel. For that, answer Control plus O. Control plus O means open option. Next, intersection of a row and a column is called cell. That is B option. Fourth one, dash cell is a cell with a dark boundary around it. For that, answer active cell. Fifth one, title bar contains dash buttons. 3 buttons. Second one, fill in the blanks. The vertical division of a worksheet is called column. Second one, dash key opens the save as dialog box, F12 key. Third one, dash describes the type of data to be entered in a worksheet. For that, answer data type. Fourth one, a formula starts with a dash sign, equal to sign. Dash keyboard shortcut is used to go to the end of the worksheet. For that, answer Control plus end. Sixth one, a dash is a collection of one or more worksheets. Answer workbook. Now, true or false? First one, you cannot add worksheets in a workbook. For that, answer false. Second one, status bar also displays zoom option. That is true only. Third one, by default, your workbook contains 3 worksheets. For that, answer false. Letters A to Z, AA to AZ are some of the column headings. Answer true. Fifth one, you cannot edit data in cells. False. Sixth, Control plus K keys are used to copy the text. Answer false. Next, match the following. For the match the following, column A, you should match with column B. For that, column A, number 1, the answer is column C in column B. That is, end of your row, control plus right arrow. Second one, top of the worksheet, answer control plus home. Third one, save as dialog box, answer is F12. Fourth one, open an existing file, answer control plus O. That is B option. Now we pass on to the answer the following. First question, what is MS Excel? MS Excel is a software program provided as part of the Microsoft Office. It is used to create and format spreadsheet. A spreadsheet consists of data and information organized in the form of rows and columns. They are commonly used to perform different kinds of calculations. Spreadsheets are used in various fields such as schools, business, organizations, etc. Okay, you can mark this answer in your book and study. Otherwise, if you don't have book, you write it in a note and study. Second question, what do you mean by a cell? A cell is an intersection of a row and a column. That is small rectangular box. The cell is the smallest unit in the worksheet. Each cell is denoted by its address. Third question, differentiate between a workbook and a worksheet. A worksheet is like a page in a workbook. It consists of rows and columns where you can enter the data, whereas a workbook is a collection of one or more worksheets. The default names of workbooks are Book 1, Book 2 and so on. Fourth question, define formula bar. Only one sentence and answer. Formula bar shows the characters and formulas that you enter in an active cell. Fifth question, how many types of data that can be entered in an Excel worksheet? Already you all know numbers, text and formula. 3 types of data can be entered in an MS Excel worksheet, namely numbers, text and formula. Next, sixth question. How will you open an existing worksheet? In the fill-ups and multiple choice question we studied, Control plus O key is the shortcut key. Here, one paragraph given. To open an existing workbook, follow the given steps. Click on the file, open. The MS Excel 2016 backstage view appears on the screen. Now you select the file in the recent workbook option directly by clicking on the file or clicking on the browse option. The open dialog box appears, and next you select the file you may want to open and click on the open button. That's all about the answer the following. Now you see application based questions answer given. First question, Pooja has created a worksheet displaying the timetable of the class. She wants to save the worksheet. Suggest her to do the task. For that answer, Control plus S or F12 keys are the shortcut methods to save the worksheet. Second question, Rahul wants to create a workbook containing the monthly expenses. Suggest him some shortcut keys to move around in an Excel workbook. This answer is in your book and you can mark this answer. The shortcut keys to move around in the Excel worksheets are given. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. That is up arrow one cell up, down arrow one cell down, left arrow one cell left, right arrow one cell right. Control plus home, top of the worksheet. Control plus end of the worksheet. Control plus right arrow, end of the row. Is it clear to all? Okay. Next, activity zone. Activity zone, you do as homework and verify your answer with this answer. Two activities are there, A and B. So by seeing this, first you do in your book and verify this answer. Okay. Thank you, students.